Okay, why would someone want to restore a Victorian house? Why do it? Because some people have told me it'd be cheaper and easier to just build a new house. I was just thinking about that. So there's several reasons. First of all, if you love how the Victorian looks or a Victorian looks, to reproduce one with this elaborate, all the different moldings. I mean, just look at the multiple moldings, the woodworking up on top, the woodworking above the windows. And this is just, I could show you examples that are even much more elaborate. But it would take a lot of time and money, all of which I would not have to start from scratch. To do this would be incredible, if even doable, because there may be code issues involved. There could be many things involved. Remember, code is written based on today's technology. I've tried to stay off the topic of code, but in this case, I think it's worthy of bringing up. I hear people say, well, you can mimic it. You can make it look like that using today's materials. And you know what? No. I don't argue with them. I never say a thing about it, but no. Absolutely, you cannot mimic this. You do not get the same effect. It may look similar from a quarter mile away, but when you get near it, you do not see the character. You cannot mimic this. I've heard it over and over, and you do not mimic this. Now, there may be millionaires, multi-millionaires that could do this, but I am not in that category. So, to me, that's a big factor in why am I doing this. I'm restoring a Victorian house, and even if I didn't care about history, I love the look of them. I love looking at how much work went into them. And you think back, this was 5 generations ago that did this.
I wanted to tell you to wrap it up.
What?
I was gonna to make a motion like wrap it up. Can you cut that out, or do we have to start over?
I can start over.